Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hopefully you guys are all hanging in there with all this craziness that is going on in the world. The weather also is a little bit gloomy and rainy here in San Francisco, but you know what? What a better day than to be able to play with some fun new makeup. So Colourpop is one of my favorite makeup brands because they're always just coming out with some really fun, just happy, exciting new makeup, and it is always very inexpensive, very affordable, and I believe that the quality is very good, especially for the price. So recently Colourpop came out with a Sailor Moon themed makeup line, and of course I had to get my hands on it. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to get my hands on everything, but I do have some fun stuff that we could try out together. So I was able to snag the Sailor Moon and Colourpop eyeshadow palette. I just think it's so cute and I love the holographic packaging. I was also able to snag one of the lip bundles. It comes with a ultra blotted lip and an ultra glossy lip. And then also something really fun is that I was able to snag one of the body glitters. So I'll definitely be checking it out. It looks really pretty, and maybe I'll pop a little bit of that in my eyes. Not in my eyes, on my lids to make the look even more fun. Okay, so I'm gonna open up the eyeshadow first. It is 12 pan, and oh my gosh, it's so cute. Decor is like shifting, so it's like, oh my god. Oh my god. But so cute. Okay. Oh my gosh, the colors are so fun. Definitely really fun spring summer colors, and I swear I did not match my sweatshirt on purpose, but I'm very on brand right now. But so cute. So first, before I jump in, I'm going to prime my eyes with a little bit of primer. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Pro Pencil. It's eyeshadow primer and color corrector. So I'm just going to warm it up a little bit on the back of my hand first, and then I'm gonna go in and put some on my lid. Alright, so first I'm gonna start, and I'm going to go in with Moon Castle, and I'm just going to put that kind of all over the lid and in the crease, and I feel like that's gonna be a really nice matte color to build on top of. So overall, I really like the color. It is a tiny bit fluffy in the pan, but honestly not too bad at all. Color went on nice and smooth and was easy to blend. So let's see how other colors go on top of it. And for that, I was just using the tried and true MAC 224 blending brush. Next, I am going to go with the MAC. This one is very loved because you can't even see the brush number on there anymore, but this is the 217 blending brush by MAC. And why don't we go ahead and, so I was just using Moon Castle, let's go into Miracle Romance, this really fun, bright fuchsia purple situation we got going on. And I'm gonna pop that into the outer corner. This palette definitely has some really fun colors. Enjoying it so far, and so far so good in all the blending and everything. Nothing is patchy and very easy to use so far. All right, and then now I'm going to go in with the MAC 239 brush. It's kind of like a flat brush that I can use to pack on some color on the lid. And why don't we just go in? I am very much drawn to this yellow color. The yellow color is called Justice. Yes, that yellow color is so fun and bright. I'm very impressed with how bright they were able to get the yellow. You could even get the yellow even brighter if you wanted to do like a cut crease where you basically cut out an area with some concealer, and then you could pack that yellow color on top too. But you know, as of right now, just a fun day of playing with makeup. I don't really think I need to do a whole cut crease situation, but that definitely is a fun color. Next, I'm gonna go back into Miracle Romance with the 217 brush just to go over the outer corner to darken it with this color. All right, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually mix these top two colors. It is Shining Moon and Twilight Flash, and I'm going to just mix these two with the 224 brush that I've been using, and I'm just going to kind of blend out above the crease and into my brow bone. And just for the sake of trying on more colors, I'm gonna go in with the MAC 213 brush, and I'm going to go into the color Love to work some of that color in the outer corner underneath here. That color is definitely really fun. It's kind of more of a brighter hot pink, where the top definitely has more of a purple feel. Okay, I'm gonna go in with a smaller smudger brush. This is the Morphe M508. And I wanna dip into this really fun purple metallic color called Luna. And I'm gonna pop that underneath the eye. Definitely feel like I've got some spring intergalactic feels going on right now. I think I'm gonna go ahead and try this one up here. It is called Silver Crystal. And I'm going to go back in with the 239 MAC brush. I'm just gonna go in here and pack on a bunch of that onto my brush. And I wanna top it kind of just right in the center of the yellow, just so I can see if I can get a little bit of sparkle right there in the ball of my eye. So I could feel that glitter raining down on my face. This might be one that would be a little bit better if I maybe wet the brush a little bit. But whenever I'm trying on eyeshadows for the first time, I do like to just like try them on dry, just to see how it fares. I don't know, that wasn't as sparkly as I was hoping for. A lot of that glitter had rained down onto my face, so I'm just gonna brush that away. Okay, I didn't love what that color did. I don't really feel like it added anything. I'm gonna put a little bit on this side just for symmetry's sake. I'm gonna go back in with the yellow to top that off because I didn't love what that color did. This one came in like a Morphe travel set, but I'll be sure to link a similar one below, but it's kind of like a little smudging brush. And I'm gonna go into Silver Millennial, this pressed glitter here, this white one, and see if I could pop some of this kind of in the inner corner of the eye to bring some brightness there and see how that looks. Yes, brightness. Okay, so I really did love this Silver Millennial color in the inner corner to brighten that up a little bit. And one last thing, I do realize that a lot is going on, but I do want to try all these colors. So I wanted to lastly go into Tuxedo Rose, this really fun corally color. And I'm going in with the MAC 213 brush. This one is very fluffy, if you can see. just getting excess off. And I just want to pop a little bit of that coral to break up this yellow right here in the inner corner. Very, very pigmented. Okay, last thing is I'm gonna go back in with some of the yellow just to brighten up that lid part one last time. And then I'm just going to clean off on a towel that I have in front of me, the MAC 224 brush. That way I could just kind of go over the lid and kind of blend out any of the harsh lines I might have. All right, super fun. Okay, next I want to go in and check out Glitterally Obsessed. It's a body glitter. And, ooh, it comes in a little pot. Oh, wow. How pretty. Okay, so I'm just gonna take, there's a lot on this guy, so I'm just gonna take some and just check out the color. Oh my, that is glittery, girl. It's very, 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 very chunky. So what I think I'm gonna do is I'm actually going to use, this is actually a Glossier tool, and it looks like a brush, but the tip is actually a silicone tip. And I'm going to take some of this glitter and then just use it to pop in the inner corner of my eye. Yes, oh my gosh, that's so pretty. All right, so I may have gone a little bit overboard with the glitter, but I seriously put the tiniest amount on here. And then while I was kind of trying to spread it out, it was just so much glitter was compacted into that little glob, and it just started to spread, and it had a mind of its own. But we are definitely shining. And because of how chunky the glitter is, I do think it is kind of meant for more of the body and not necessarily your eyes, but definitely give it a shot. This reminds me a lot of the Glossier glitter jellies, but I am going to pop on some lashes and I will be right back. Okay, I am back. So what I did was I just popped on my favorite lashes. I put a little bit of mascara on the bottom lashes, my favorite Lash Paradise. Again, I will be sure to link everything that I used below in the description box. But last but not least, I want to go in and finish off with some lip. This is the Ultra Blotted Lip, and this is in the color Bunhead. And then this is an ultra glossy lip, super pretty coral with like gold glitter, and this is called Sailor Moon. I'm gonna go in with the Ultra Blotted Lip. So this one isn't like a full liquid lip or anything like that. It's more lightweight and makes it look like your lips are freshly blotted. Cute color. Wow, it actually dries and finishes matte and almost feels powdery, and the formula is very liquidy and light. And yeah, I could see why it's called Ultra Blotted Lip, because it does look like my lips are freshly blotted. Okay, and then I'm going to top with some of the Ultra Lip Gloss, because why not? More is more. This one has a little bit more of like a paintbrush tip. so cute. I definitely had a lot of fun playing with all these colors, especially on this gloomy day. Final thoughts is definitely this eyeshadow palette is a lot of fun. Love the really pretty colors. I must say I do like the matte colors more. They were just a little bit easier to work with, a little bit easier to blend and use. The pressed glitters, the really shimmery ones, were a little bit harder to use. I think when I use them next, I'm gonna either wet brush or maybe use a little bit of glitter glue on my lid before I pop this on, just so it kind of stays put and it makes the colors shine bright. But really for the price, I feel like you can't really beat this. The eyeshadow was $20 and you get 12 colors. I really do think this is a really fun one to have for the spring and summer. And the body glitter that I got, this was in the color Moonlight Legend. This entire pot is only $9. Really fun. It is still on here, and I think that this color is really pretty. I would definitely be sparing when putting it on your eyes and be very careful so it doesn't get into your eyes, but I think it was really pretty once I had it on. But I think if you're going to like a music festival or if you're going to somewhere really fun out in the sun, it would be so pretty to pop some of this on your cheek or maybe on your chest and just really be a glittering goddess. Last but not least, this lip duo that I got is called Moonlight. $15 for these two. You could definitely wear them separate or together, and I do think, again, it is a really pretty color to have for the spring and summer. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today while I played with all this fun makeup. Definitely cheered me up with everything that is kind of going on in the world in this gloomy day. Hopefully you guys are hanging in there and taking care of each other. But again, thank you guys so much for your support and hanging out with me. I will be sure to link everything that I use below so you can check out. Please remember to subscribe to my channel and ring that notification bell so you know when I post my next video, but I will be sure to catch you guys next week. Bye!